I'm Peter Lee for Newsbud's China Watch. This week on China Watch, it's Chinese New Year and time for our special entertainment edition of China Watch. We document the atrocities at the CCTV New Year's Gala, racism, outrage, and the backstory on why China went blackface to show its love for Africa. And we look at witch hunts in glamorous Hollywood. Do you know why witch hunts aren't coming back in America? It's because they never went away. China Watch examines the U.S. government's witch hunt machinery that was developed to root out communist influence in glamorous Hollywood and is now gearing up for a run at Chinese influence in the United States. No, it's not McCarthyism. It's a lot worse and scarier. A key asset for witch hunting is a compliant, uncritical media ready to repackage and publicize allegations in intelligence community dossiers for the general public to ruin reputations and careers. That's not Newsbud. That's not China Watch. We don't do NatSec steno for the government. China Watch is the last of the independents when it comes to objective, critical reporting on the People's Republic of China. We give you the inconvenient facts, the awkward context, all the stuff that gets buried by the government and its media assets. If you want to understand what the heck is going on, you need China Watch. Now, more than ever. Please go to newsbud.com to subscribe and access China Watch and support Newsbud's sterling roster of investigative reporters and analysts.